Hello little friends. Let's meet some farm animals and their babies. Look, it's a cow. And this is her baby, called a calf. Here's a sheep. Her baby is called a lamb. That's a hen. Her babies are called chicks. Here's a duck. And her babies are called ducklings. Here's a pig. And her babies are called piglets. This is a dog. Her babies are called puppies. Wow! It's a horse. And her baby is called a foal. Look, it's a cat. And her babies are called kittens. Look at the goat. Her baby is called a kid. All the animals love their babies. Which one is your favorite? Thanks for visiting the farm. See you next time.